Today, we will explore how AI characters, or AICs, can now understand and perform building tasks in Minecraft, guided by blueprints. With the power of large language models and their so-called vibe coding abilities, AICs are already capable of grasping the concept of construction. They can autonomously design buildings, gather materials, and carry out construction plans. Compared to traditional AI, their behaviors reflect a more generative, creative intelligence. AICs demonstrate an understanding of purpose, placing torches to light interiors, installing glass windows, and even adding aesthetic touches. But as we continue to observe the behavior of AI characters in building tasks, it becomes clear that large language models, while impressively capable, still face challenges in spatial planning and structural integrity. Take the simple task of building a house. The AIC may do a decent job at first glance, placing walls, a roof, and even windows. But then you notice there's no door. The entrance has been completely forgotten. Or worse, the AIC breaks a hole in the wall to enter, only to reveal an interior so cramped that you can barely walk around. This highlights a core limitation. Without detailed environmental feedback or structural constraints, the AIC often relies on guesswork to turn language into construction. To address this, we introduced blueprint-based building, a hybrid solution that combines the flexibility of large models with the structure and precision of traditional programmatic control. Instead of building purely from imagination, the AIC now has a reference, a sparse blueprint outlining the expected block arrangement, materials, and sequence of construction. By introducing the system of common architectural blueprints and encouraging our AI characters to refer to them during the planning phase, we've seen a marked improvement in both the consistency and the practical functionality of the structures they build. The walls are where they should be. The layout makes sense. And yes, doors finally appear where you'd expect them. But what's even more impressive is that AI characters don't just copy these blueprints blindly. Instead, they treat them as reference points, starting templates that can be adapted to meet new demands. This is where the large model's reasoning ability really shines. Let's say you ask the AIC to build a stone house, but the closest available blueprint is for a wooden cottage. The AIC won't reject the task. It will interpret your request, recognize the materials don't match, and begin to intelligently transform the plan. Wooden beams become stone pillars. A thatched roof turns into cobblestone or brick. The shape and structure remain coherent, but the aesthetic and material are adjusted to better match your intent. This process is more than just block replacement. It's a form of architectural reasoning, where the AI is trying to balance structural logic, design intention, and environmental constraints, all while staying grounded in the physical rules of the Minecraft world. So even with predefined blueprints, large models still play a crucial role in understanding task requirements, interpreting vague or creative user instructions, and generating customized results. The blueprint provides structure, but it's the model that brings the structure to life. For one more example, if you ask the AIC to construct a stone tower on top of a mountain, it will refer to a blueprint, planned the structure, and steadily brought it to life. What stood out wasn't just the fact that it followed the blueprint correctly, it was the way it handled the final steps. As the tower grew taller, the AIC naturally used a ladder it had placed on the side of the tower to climb up and complete the topmost section. There was no hard-coded path, no scripted behavior, just a logical, intuitive action grounded in the context of the world it was helping to build. When the tower was finished, I climbed to the top and looked out across the Minecraft landscape, bathed in moonlight. The AI character stood quietly beside me. In that moment, it really didn't feel like I was playing alone. This wasn't just an NPC going through motions. It was a companion, a builder, a co-adventurer, and maybe even a friend. Someone or something exploring the unknown with me, one block at a time. Thanks for watching, and we warmly invite you to join us in exploring the endless possibilities of AI in Minecraft.